Best radar detectors. Are you looking for the best radar detectors? In this video we will look at some of the 4 best radar detectors on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Best Automated Radar Detector. The triple antenna design improves range and accuracy, putting the 360C at the top of the pack. The device is designed to plug and go with various driving modes, automated features, and built-in Wi-Fi, allowing instant shared alerts and software updates. The Escort Live app updates every Monday, ensuring that new red light cameras and speed traps are up to date. Modes like Highway, Auto, Auto No X, and Auto Low K allow you to adjust the sensitivity, cutting down on false alerts. The new K-notch feature also helps filter out blind spot monitoring, BSM, from newer vehicles, and auto lockouts help keep the device quieter and hands-free. Visually, the 360C is very intuitive. Specifications. Radar bands detected X, K, Ka, MRCT, MRCD, laser. Available modes: advanced, novice. Bluetooth connectivity? Yes. While our tests show the 360C's false alert filtering works impeccably, the manufacturer's website has some language claiming it never alerts falsely, which is simply not true. No radar detector is flawless, but this one is pretty close, our tester said. The alerts are informative, but the MRCD alert flashes arrows in all directions, making it hard to decipher the direction of the threat. This is the priciest model we tested, and if it's not in. Number 2. Best Customizable Radar Detector. The new bubble lens improves its range and accuracy, and the alert response time is also very fast, ensuring little to no lag between when a signal is picked up and when you are alerted of its presence. The R8 can also detect newer GATSO speed cameras. The R8's predecessor has the mute and mark buttons on the side of the device, which can be difficult to reach while driving, but Uniden placed them on the face of the R8, which is a huge improvement. MRCD detection is another area where this detector has significantly improved. Specifications. Radar bands detected X, K, Ka, MRCT, MRCD, laser, GATSO. Available modes: highway, city, advanced, auto. Wi-Fi enabled? No. Bluetooth connectivity? Yes. GPS enabled? Yes. The previous R8 version showed serious issues with auto lockouts, which this version still struggles with, although not as badly. You can drive past the same strip mall or grocery store for months while continuing to experience false alerts from the automatic doors, our tester observed. To mitigate this issue, you can manually lock out stationary locations such as these. However, auto lockouts are a sought-after feature, so it's a little disappointing that this model struggles with it. Furthermore, the R8 is not completely RDD, radar detector, immune. Fortunately, this is not an issue in most of the US, as radar detectors are perfectly legal. Number 3. Long range for less. The GPS location lockouts are recorded by a simple double tap of the mute button, located just below the screen, and remain recorded until you delete them. The audible alerts are easy to hear, and the screen is easy to read. Specifications. Radar bands detected X, K, Ka, MRCT, MRCD, laser. Available modes: highway, city, advanced. Bluetooth connectivity? No. GPS enabled? Yes. We found the GPS location lockouts easy to perform and plentiful, but the R3 does not have as much storage as other devices, including other Uniden models. It won't affect the daily performance, but it may inhibit the use of future memory-heavy firmware updates. It also does not pick up modulating frequencies like some more expensive models. As such, the multiradar detection is lacking. Blind spot monitoring, BSM, Filtering is another issue we have with otherwise stellar R3. Driving next to modern cars equipped with blind spot monitoring often triggers the K-band alert, our tester noticed. Fine-tuning the K-band's sensitivity helps slightly but doesn't prevent all BSM-related false alerts. Lastly, the R3 does not have directional arrows. Number 4. The versatile daily driver. The manual lockout feature will allow the user to permanently mute any non-threatening, stationary trigger. You can store uploaded information like red light cameras on the device, with firmware updates confirming those locations. The sizable multicolored OLED screen is automatically brightened or dimmed based on a built-in ambient light sensor, and clear, unique, and crisp audible alerts round out this excellent package. The first few times I tried using this feature, I just wound up muting the device rather than locking out the location, laughed our tester. Fortunately, it is not an issue once you figure out the cadence of the double click. Compared to some of Uniden's other models, the R7 is pretty large. That said, it didn't bother us as it is easy to remove from the window mount when not in use, and if placed low on the dash, it does not impede the driver's vision. Specifications: radar bands detected X, K, Ka, MRCT, MRCD, laser. Available modes: highway, city, advanced. Wi-Fi enabled? No. Bluetooth connectivity? No. GPS enabled? Yes.